Hi everyone, welcome to Ishan Medias. How you all? Hope you all good. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what's the benefits of using rice water to your hair. Let's go into the video. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice, a mug and water to add into it. Now I'm adding a cup of rice to this mug. And I'm adding filtered room temperature water to it. You can take any kind of rice like brown rice, jasmine rice and basmati rice, but here I'm taking white rice. After adding water to it, we need to close the cap and let it sit for 20 to 48 hours. I'm just opening the cap after 24 hours. This is how it looks like. After 24 hours, it gives some kind of poo smell which I don't like, and I have an idea to avoid the smell also. You can add some essential oil or orange peel to this water, and you don't believe really that it works like a magic. You can use this remedy once a week or twice a week. There is no problem and there won't be any side effects using it. Here I am showing you how to use the rice water to your hair. Simply you need to transfer the water into the spray bottle and spray it onto your scalp and hair. Let it dry for good 30 to 45 minutes and wash your hair with mild shampoo. You can apply this rice water after you wash your hair or before you wash your hair. It's up to you when to use it. As rice contains amino acids, vitamin B, C and E, it promotes hair growth, length retentions, shine to your head, reduces the dandruff and strengthen your hair. You believe me or not, it works like magic to your hair and promotes the hair growth. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe Ishan Medias.